Lipstick is in love, and that's not the proper way. Isaac, let me tell you something. That is not the proper way to win a lady's heart, okay? You need to be nice. You need to be nice. Which one should I use? This or that? I should use black on black now. Black on black. Ha-ha. Hey! It is okay. GeForce, I read the message that time. I read it. Sorry. Read the Bible. Guys, now is this not okay? This one is okay now. This one is okay now. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that, reader. She wants to be a mistress. Guys, I think I need to go and get. Favor, thank you, Favor. What is Reda saying? Reda, what are you saying? I'm coming. Reda, what are you saying? That you type. Lord King, hello Lord King, thanks so much for joining the stream. Thank you very much. Please kindly like the stream, please. Like the stream and share the stream, please. Yeah, I don't shook my head though. Hey! Yes, I know. Yeah, I don't shook my hand though. Guys, no, God forbid, you will not be single. You'll be happily married and have a loving home, a loving husband, a loving children, and everything. Do not say that to yourself. Do not say that to yourself. You'll be happily married, wife, and I'll be your friend. If I'm in your country, like if I'm in where you are living, I'll be your friend. Yes. Me and you will be friends. And me too, I will be happily married. So me and you will be friends. So do not say that you'll be happily. See, guys, something. So, guys, how do Minah look? How are you saying? Too much black is not. No! Have you seen me on black? Let me do makeup and use black for you. You will love it. Trust me. You will love it. You look like the finest Yoruba, Minah. Thank you. My nephew, thank you and welcome back. See, guys, the way you are saying, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, he's making my head to black. You understand? He's making my head to black. Oh my God, I'm beautiful. Hey. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hi, Jaden. Wow, Phoebe. Nephew. My nephew now. What do you want?